Okay, so finally we are gonna mount the foot clutch kit that I got, and it's gonna be mounted on an original foot control. So this should be the best foot clutch conversion kit out there, right? The first one that I got, it wasn't real good, so let's try this one. Now, first thing first, this bracket needs to go like that or like this. I don't know how it needs to go. It looks like it has to go like this, but then I'm worried about this bracket the way that it is, right? So let me see if I can find out another form. Seems like there's nothing else. Okay, so let's put it like that, how it should go, right? And then of course I got a spacer in here that comes with it, and it goes like that. Let me get the first bolt through. And that's how much of a bolt I got left. So because of that, I got a little longer bolt. Let's see if that works better. Okay. Now I got a little bit more. Let me install that right quick. And this one right here. Again, I'll tie that later. All right. Now, let me see how I'm gonna put this cable, because that bracket and this one does not align proper, like how I was expecting. So the cable is gonna go like that. Here's the clutch cable, which I have enough cable to put it in here. But if not, I can always get it through the middle of the engine. Let's see what I do.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay, so I mount the controls and the cable, the clutch cable. Now I got it through here because of the way that bracket is sitting down. That's why I put it through there. But the only problem is, everything is pretty good, but the only problem is, I don't know if it's because of the way that it runs. I don't think it's because how bent it is, but this side right there looks pretty bent. I gotta check. I can engage the clutch with my hand. So now, last time when I put the other clutch setup, I had the same problem. I'm installing some other stuff, and then I'm gonna take it down from the stand, and I'm gonna try it with my foot, because last time it was the same stuff. It was really hard with my hand, but I was able to pull it or push it with my foot. Hopefully there's something else, because I don't really want it to be like really thick like how it was before. So I'm gonna check on that, but for now I'm just gonna install the tank right here, the oil tank. Got the bracket. I'm gonna put the new handlebars that I got over there, and some other stuff. the brake line and some other stuff, and then go back to the clutch situation.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Okay, this is what I have left from the last day I was working on it. Last thing I put was the oil tank and that handlebar. Put this one because the other one wasn't an inch, so fighting with them. Besides that, I put the clutch cable, but I don't think it's functioning right now. I gotta double check on that. It's not engaging. So yeah, that's what I had last time. Today, I need to see if the clutch cable will work. Well, not the clutch cable, the gas cable, the carburetor cable. Because I got one from the short handlebars, and this one is a little bit longer, so let's see if it works. This is how the bike is looking so far. It's not the final result. I don't want to use this tank, but I'm using it because the other one is not done. I'm probably gonna change this seat. It's really uncomfortable, and you have the feeling that you're always gonna sleep back. I'm probably gonna put the one that I had and then put a Fender, maybe like a little bit of Fender in here, and see how that goes. And the handlebars, I don't like them, but I put it just to see how they look. I fixed these, but I noticed that it's not engaging all the way, so I might gonna make another design right here, like this plate that is holding the cable. I'll probably do another design where it goes like a little bit right, like more forward, so I can place the cable like straight, and then that inch, probably like inch and 1/4 that I have here, I think it's gonna be enough for me to have the clutch engaging, because I'm able to change gears on everything, but when I press the clutch, like if it's off and I put it on gear and I press the clutch, the engine still like kind of like goes, like it rotates. So that means the clutch is not engaging all the way. So I'm probably gonna come out with another design after that. I gotta weld that. I'm placing the fender. It looks kind of good with a fender. I have the brackets for it and everything. Just go from here to like here and then weld it and some stuff. So I'm probably gonna have that fender in there. I don't know, I like it. Looks kind of good. I left these handlebars for now. I've had to place like a bolt in there. I fucked that one up, I don't really care. So it won't go back and forward. And same with here, I had to make a hole and place like an Allen key other way so it would not turn. I run it around, but it's pretty cold, so I'm just gonna leave it like this and then wait till the weather gets better so I can run it and see what it really does. But for now, I'm just gonna probably design the fender later on and then go from there. So I'll see you guys in the next video.